Herpetology is the branch of zoology that deals with the scientific study of birds, reptiles and amphibians, fish, insects. And the correct answer is option B, that is reptiles and amphibians. For chemical immobilization and remote capture of wild elephants, a highly potent opioid tranquilizer is most commonly used. Diazepam, ketamine, xylazine, etorphine. And the correct answer is option D, that is etorphine. Which hormone enhances active intestinal absorption of calcium by stimulating synthesis of calcium binding proteins in enterocytes? Parathyroid hormone, calcitonin, calcitriol, aldosterone. And the correct answer is option C, that is calcitriol. Which circulating blood cell can differentiate into an antibody secreting plasma cell after antigenic stimulation? Neutrophil, monocyte, B lymphocyte, T lymphocyte. And the correct answer is option C, that is B lymphocyte. A localized suppurative lesion in soft tissue showing thinning and outward bulging of overlying skin indicates a fully ripened abscess ready for drainage. This sign is called pointing, swelling, pain, fluctuation. And the correct answer is option A, that is pointing. A break in the skin that fails to progress through normal stages of healing and persists for a prolonged period is termed contaminated wound, ulcer, maggot wound, infected wound. And the correct answer is option B, that is ulcer. In bacteria, a small circular DNA molecule that replicates independently of the chromosomal DNA is known as chromatid, plasmid, nucleoid, episome. And the correct answer is option B, that is plasmid. For proper lactic acid fermentation and prevention of spillage, the ideal moisture content of a fodder crop at the time of ensiling is approximately 30 to 40%, 50 to 55%, 60 to 70%, 80 to 90%. And the correct answer is option C, that is 60 to 70%. A chronic zoonotic disease characterized by intermittent or undulating fever in humans and reproductive losses in animals is caused by Brucella abortus, Brucella melitensis, Brucella suis, Brucella equi. And the correct answer is option A, that is Brucella abortus. Administration of which antacid can lead to increased gastric acid secretion after initial neutralization due to the acid rebound phenomena? Aluminum hydroxide, sodium bicarbonate, magnesium hydroxide, calcium carbonate. And the correct answer is option D, that is sodium bicarbonate. On palpation of a suspected bone injury, a grating sensation produced by movement of fractured bone ends is considered a pathognomic sign of dislocation, sprain, fracture, osteomyelitis. And the correct answer is option C, that is fracture. An enzymatically active complex formed when a protein component binds its required non-protein cofactor is called apoenzyme, coenzyme, holoenzyme, isoenzyme. And the correct answer is option C, that is holoenzyme. In birds, the glandular or true stomach responsible for secretion of acid and digestive enzymes is the crop, proventriculus, gizzard, duodenum. And the correct answer is option B, that is proventriculus. Which specific endocrine cells of the pancreatic islets are responsible for synthesis and secretion of insulin? Alpha cells, beta cells, delta cells. Both A and B are correct. And the correct answer is option B, that is beta cells. The approximate gestation length of a leopard, reflecting the typical reproductive cycle of large felids, is 45 to 50 days, 60 to 65 days, 90 to 95 days, 120 to 130 days. And the correct answer is option C, that is 90 to 95 days. Compared with cow milk, buffalo milk characteristically contains a higher total protein concentration of approximately 5.5 to 6, 3.8 to 4.5, 3 to 3.2, 2 to 2.5. And the correct answer is option B, that is 3.8 to 4.5%. For optimal fish health and reproductive in aquaculture ponds, the water pH should generally be maintained within the range of 4 to 5, 5.5 to 6, 6.5 to 8.5, 9.5 to 10.5. And the correct answer is option C, that is 6.5 to 8.5. A male horse that has been surgically castrated and is typically calmer and more manageable is termed mule, stallion, colt, gelding. And the correct answer is option D, that is gelding. A female horse less than 4 years of age that has not yet reached full maturity is called mare, filly, foal, heifer. And the correct answer is option B, that is filly. Berseem and lucerne are classified in fodder crops as they enrich soil nitrogen through symbiotic fixation and are therefore considered cereal fodders, leguminous fodders, root fodders, silage grasses. And the correct answer is option B, that is leguminous fodders.